Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to another video. So we're going to be diving right straight into today's video. So this is a part 2 of my whole house clean with me. If you haven't seen a part 1, I'll have it linked down below in the description of this video and also in the cards above. So part 2, I'm deep cleaning my bedroom from top to bottom, and the main thing that I'm really trying to get is under the bed and also the ceiling fan. Those are my main areas that I would love to just deep clean. I'm not gonna show the other rooms that I cleaned because those are my kids' bedrooms, and I'm teaching them how to take care of their own stuff, so I'm not going to include that in here. But I did help with cleaning the ceiling fans for their bedroom because they're just kids and I don't want anyone getting hurt by climbing up the ladder. If you are in need of some cleaning motivation, then you have clicked on the right video. Please be sure to watch the full video so you can get motivated. If you're cleaning along with me, let me know down in the comment section. I'm starting off by removing the bed covers of my bed. I don't want anything that falls off from the ceiling to get on to my bed covers. I recently cleaned them, so I don't want to have to re-clean them again. So I'm just going to take everything off, and I'm also going to be deep cleaning under the bed. So before we get too deep into today's video, I would like to introduce myself to anyone that's new here on my channel. If you're here for the very first time or you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name is Shamsa. I'm a mom of 5, and here on my channel I like to upload videos like these and daily vlogs, anything motherhood lifestyle related content. You'll find it here on my channel. If you're not subscribed, I would love to have you, so please be sure to click on that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the bell so that way you will be notified whenever I upload a video here on YouTube. To all my returning subscribers, I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate you guys so much. Yeah, whenever I'm cleaning or dusting the ceiling fans, I feel like they're gonna fall or something, so I'm trying to like hold it in place in case it falls or something. I don't know. I just have a fear that it's just gonna fall down to the ground. But anyways, that's all the dust that was up there, y'all. It's nasty. It's just nasty. Y'all should have seen the other ceiling fans too. They had so much dust covered on them. Yeah, make sure you guys clean your ceiling fans if you have one, and make sure you definitely get under the bed too. Make sure you clean under the bed because there could be like some cobwebs and stuff. So if you don't move your bed like in months or something like me. Y'all see Missy in the background? She was being too much. She wanted to help out. Like, I appreciate her help and stuff, but she was just not letting it go. She wanted to sweep, she wanted to mop, she also wanted to be my camera woman. Like, come on, girl, go out and just watch your cocoa melon. Stop bothering me. Y'all, we're also not gonna be forgetting to clean all the glass, meaning the mirrors if you have one, like vanity and stuff, and cleaning up the windows because our windows get dirty real fast. Especially when it's raining outside, like from the exterior, they get dirty. Um, but the interior is not that dirty. So, but I just like to wipe them down also, and just make them look all clear and stuff. Inshallah, I will do a deep cleaning of the exterior of the house soon, inshallah. I'm gonna see if I can get a video of that for you guys so I can motivate y'all. It is fall, so there's a lot of people that do um, outside of the house cleaning, whether it's decorating for fall or just cleaning up the leaves and stuff. Over here in Texas, our leaves have not changed the color yet. I am so eager for them to change the color, like, and the weather to cool down. Like, I am so ready for sweater. Like, the other day, just to kind of get, like, after I dropped off the kids, I stopped by a Dunkin' and got myself a pumpkin spice for the very first time. That was my first time getting a pumpkin spice latte, and I honestly loved it. So, my kids are not a big fan of pumpkin spice, but I love it. And I'm ready for the cool weather. I'm ready for all thing fall, November, December, until we get to January and February. Because over here in Texas, sometimes we end up with like getting ice or something. So, yeah. So I got done with cleaning my bedroom and we moved on to the hallway. I wanted to clean the air vent, and y'all, it was dirty. I was originally I was intending on using the hose of my vacuum to reach up there and kind of like suck everything out, because I don't want to take this cover thing that's on there. It's really difficult to take that cover thing and put it back on, so I was avoiding of doing that. But luckily, I had that little broom and it really came in handy, y'all. It helped to get all those dust that was stuck on there. And I love my Shark vacuum, y'all. It gets every little particle that's on that floor. Next up, we're moving on to the laundry area. Y'all, this is a place that I really wanted to tackle. Even though my washing machine, the interior of it is clean, the exterior of it and the whole area needs to be cleaned also. I did some laundry the other day and I forgot to clean out my lint catcher, so yeah, that's why. It's not a lot, but make sure you guys always clean out your lint holder in your dryer, because I heard that if that gets filled up with so much lint and you don't clean up, and it could eventually cause a fire. So make sure you always get that. Y'all, the previous owner was a blessing to us. When we first moved into this house, they had decided to leave us the washer and dryer. They're new, so it was a blessing, y'all. It was a blessing because some of the houses that are for rent don't come with a washing machine. So we are blessed to have one, and we use it whenever we have, some laundry to do. Sometimes I do take my laundry to the laundromat just to, save on some gas bill and electricity and stuff. But the majority of it, I do my laundry at home. Like, I am tired from work and the kids and cooking and stuff. I don't have time for going to the laundromat, which is like across town and stuff. But it has been a blessing, and I make sure to take care of the washing machine and the dryer because they trusted us, to take care of their stuff, and I make sure to do that. Well, y'all, the video is almost coming to an end. I hope that I was able to motivate you enough to get up and clean. If you were cleaning along with me, let me know in the comments section. And if you're new to my channel and you're not subscribed and you made it all the way towards the end of this video, please consider to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, share, and also to turn on your bell notification. Y'all, my English is really bad, so excuse it. But I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in my other video. Bye.